Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Google Chrome on every window you have. That is Windows 7 at Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. So first of all you need to open a by default app that's already present on your PC. So just search on a search bar Microsoft Edge. If you do not have this browser Microsoft Edge, so you need to install this browser. For installing this browser you need to open a Microsoft store, so just search here a Microsoft store and open it. After opening a Microsoft store you can go here a search option, so just search here a Microsoft Edge. As you can see we got a Microsoft browser here, so I already installed it. You need to install this browser. As I already installed it, so I'm gonna open this browser. Now just simply search here Google Chrome. Now just click on a first browser, its name is Google Chrome. Now we got a download options here, so just click on download Google Chrome. And now you can see below download Google Chrome manually, so just click on it. And now you can see our downloading has been started. We got just a link of downloading Google Chrome. Okay, now come back to a desktop and open download folder. Now you can see it has been installed here, so just double click on it and all downloading has been started. So it will depend on your network, so just wait for a while and it automatically download and install on your PC. Now if you have Gmail account, so just open with a Gmail account. If you do not have, so just use it as a guest. Now if you want to pin its shortcuts on a desktop, so just come back to a desktop and click on a window options here, and now scroll add to a C and you would found Google Chrome here. So just click on it and drag it to a desktop, so it will pin on your desktop. So hope you guys like the video and do not forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.